through the first official week of February. February 4th, 2026, CN Hayes here. It is 8:44 as I'm coming to you from West Ladysmith. We had a power move return for the S772 of the third that showed up. And we had a solo SD75IACC rebuild of the 8313 that decided to show up after it met the L51981 of the 4th at Weyerhaeuser. So off she goes to Ladysmith Yard, and I'm pretty sure that's going to be my next 75IACC rebuild. That was built early last year. How about that? So that will do it for that 77281 of the 3rd, and we'll do it for the CN 8313, and we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.